let's create something like this. We're going to do that using Microgreen's image to planes. That doesn't round it, but we're going to check out how I can go about it. First of all, I'm going to import the images like that, and next is importing all of them, setting the plane direction, and these are nice. You can use fifth width, height, largest, or these two guys. Nice settings or options. This I'll set it to base. You could slice the plane that you create, but I'll just keep it to one so that it's just one single plane for images. Okay, so you can see that it created 8 of those guys. Should be a better, easier way to select these, but okay. Copy those, move it here. And the thing now is I want to round these guys. I could use jetter fillet, but you'll see that that screws up the UV. So what to do? What you can do is you can take one, I selected 2 now, one of these polygons, paste it here. Now use jetter fillet, hit OK, delete. I need to scale it slightly in order for this to work, so I'll need to scale it slightly inwards. Or I could do the other thing. I could take these guys, scale them slightly outwards. So actually I'll do that. Then I know that this one is 1 meter, 1 by 1. So okay, what we'll do is we'll swap these layers, and we're going to use template drill, set core, okay, and that's that. Fixed. Take this one, delete the temporary, go back. Okay, so that's pretty much it. The thing that is difficult now is to kind of like drag these out. And also for some reason now when I use template drill, it merged these guys, so I need to hit Control U so that I can use snap drag tool to move it out like that. I could use snap drag tool here to move them out. Let's see. You might want to, before you move them out, you might want to create endomorph. So just hit create, then move them out, so that now you can jump in between the base and the morph. Okay, so we've got 8 of these. What you'll see though that in LightWave, LightWave has a problem with snapping unless it's set to wireframe. Not cool. Not cool at all. Yes. So it's actually it snaps better in perspective mode, which is kind of like okay. So yeah. But okay, let's just arrange it. Make sure you got connected points when you use snap drag tool, by the way. Let's arrange these guys the way I want them to be. Let's see. Something like that. Okay. So what I need to do now is I need to go to, for example, the back view here. Nah, I'll go to this view. Well, that's anyway, and change that for a wireframe. And that's kind of like what is not so cool. Okay. So yeah, that's that. So you saw me creating a morph or an endomorph, and but it's not really going to be all that useful for you because it has a linear movement. So you want to use the plugins Part Move or Polymove in Layout instead. So yeah, one way of going about this, but Motion really, LightWave really needs to get better at everything related to motion graphics. Do get this plugin though? Very nice plugin. So, mic green, images to planes.